भारतीय दलित साहित्य अकादमी की निफुसुबा नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ दलित राइटर्स दिल्ली की पंचशील आश्रम झरोदा विलेज रिंग रोडता ngarangdagi hongdokkiba thoram ngasi loisinkibaga loinana masak naiba manipur gi miyoi kyadasu national award piduna ikai khumnakre dr ambedkar distinguished service national award mi taramathoi khanbada hanagi arts and culture gi assistant director oirambi haubom chitra devi retired vice principal oirambi haujikna visiting faculty dr rk indira devi loinana ambedkar fellowship national award ta mayang lambam rohit mitai malom guru mayum memcha devi wangkhai ningthaujam rosan kongpal thodam sanathoi kakwa ilangbam premanand singh naharup thokchom amusna devi kyamgai pangabam bachpan yorakle loinana chahi asigi miyoi amakhakta piba Maharishi Valmiki National Award 2024 gi khalakpada Haujik National Secretary su oiriba Dr. Yumna Mahendra Kumar Singh da lemjaningai oiraba award asi pirakpada Dalit Sahitya Academy Manipur harauba amadi Manipurna harauba amadi thagatpa phongdorakle pangthokiba thoramadu da Dr. Satyanarayan Jaita ex MP RS former Union Minister Social Justice and Empowerment SS Ramji Lal Suman MP RS ex-Union Minister Social Welfare Government of India SSPL Punia, former MP RS ex-Chairman National Scheduled Caste Commission GOISS Niranjit BC MP RS SS Narayan Singh Kesari ex-MP Rajya Sabha Chief Guest Oiki SS Sangpriya Gautam ex-Union Minister Government of India Amadi Dr. ML Rains ex-Health Minister Haryana State na Chairperson Amadi SS Babana Golab ex-Social Welfare Minister Maharashtra Government Professor Dr. KP Yadav Vice Chancellor Met University Raipur CG Dr. Manoj Kumar Director General National Cooperative Department Corporation Government of India loinana saknai daba kayana distinguished guest oina daisa famduna thorom mapung fana pangthoki